Welcome to English with Colleen. This video is on time, half past. This is my second video on time. If you haven't seen my first video, time on the hour, look below in the description of this video to find a link. Please watch that video first. Watch this video to the end. There will be a quiz. Comment your answers in the comment box below. Let's look at the parts of the clock. This is the face. These are the hands. The shorthand tells the hour. The longhand tells the minutes. Why are they called hands? I have no idea. Just remember, the shorthand is the hour hand and the longhand is the minute hand. In my first video, we learned time on the hour, 2 o'clock. In this video, you will learn time half past. When the minute hand moves halfway around the clock, it is half past. Notice the shorthand also moved. It is halfway between the 2 and the 3. What time is it? The time is half past 2. Question: how many minutes are in 1 hour? Each little line on the clock is 1 minute. How many minutes are in 1 hour? 60. Question: what is half of 60? Half of 60 is 30. If the longhand, minute hand, moves halfway around the clock, 30 minutes go by. So, the time is half past 2 or 2:30. The time is written hour: minutes, 2:30, half past 2. I will review time on the hour and practice half past. Listen and repeat. 1 o'clock. 1:30, half past 1. 2 o'clock. 2:30, half past 2. 3 o'clock. 3:30, half past 3. 4 o'clock. 4:30, half past 4. 5 o'clock. 5:30, half past 5. 6 o'clock. 6:30, half past 6. 7 o'clock. 7:30, half past 7. 8 o'clock. 8:30, half past 8. 9 o'clock. 9:30, half past 9. 10 o'clock. 10:30, half past 10. 11 o'clock. 11:30, half past 11. 12 o'clock. 12:30, half past 12. Question 1. How many minutes are in 1 hour? Comment below. Question 2. What are the 2 lines that show hours and minutes called? Comment below. Question 3. What time is it? Comment below. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for the newest resources.